Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to start new chapter 12 Heron's formula. Okay, we are going to start new chapter Heron's formula. Before start the chapter we are going to discuss about the introduction and important points. In earlier classes, we have studied about the figures, different shapes like triangles, quadrilaterals, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, kite, etc. We have also learned about how to find out the area of a rectangle, square, trapezium, etc. Okay. Now unit of the measurement of length or breadth is meter or centimeter. Unit of measurement of area is meter square or centimeter square. That we have learned in standard 8 and 9 also. Okay. Now unit of area is meter square or centimeter square. Now area of triangle equal to 1/2 multiply base multiply altitude. Okay, base multiply altitude. Sometimes we can call it height. Height means altitude. Area of one right angle triangle is equal to 1/2 multiply product of the lengths of the side containing the right angle, means base multiply altitude. And area of an equilateral triangle of the side A equal to √3/4 a square, where A is the side. Now area of an isosceles triangle with base A and equal side B equal to A/4 √4b square minus a square. So this formula is useful in this chapter. Now question arises this: area of triangle equal to 1/2 multiply base multiply altitude. But if there is no altitude, any type of triangle, then we can find the formula by Heron's, and that is the name of the chapter, Heron's formula. By this formula we can find the area of triangle of any type of triangle. Okay, so now we are going to learn area of triangle by Heron's formula. Okay, now area of triangle equal to square root s bracket s minus a bracket s minus b bracket s minus c. Now we are going to know what is a, b, c, whatever. Okay, now a, b, c are the sides of the triangle. Any type of triangle is given, right angle, isosceles, whatever, or scalene triangle, any type of. But A, B, C we can take sides, measure of sides. And S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter, and that we can find semi-perimeter equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Make the sum of the sides of 3 sides and then divided by 2, we will obtain semi-perimeter S. This formula for the area of triangle was given by Heron, and therefore this formula is known as Heron's formula. Okay, so this was about the introduction. Now we are going to solve the first sum. Exercise 12.1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead. It is in triangle shape. It is equilateral triangle with side A. Measure is not given. Whatever measure, but measure is not given. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signboard? We know when we go on vehicle beside the road, signal is given. Okay, triangle shape. So now traffic signal area, find its perimeter. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signboard? Now see here, all the side is equal is given, A. Okay, so A equal to A, B equal to A, and C equal to A. So semi perimeter A plus B plus C upon 2 equal to A plus A upon 2, that is 3A upon 2. Okay, 3A upon 2. Now next page. Now we are going to know the area. Area of the signboard, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the formula. Root is given on it. So root value of S 3A upon 2 bracket 3A upon 2 minus A, 3A upon 2 minus A, 3A upon 2 minus A, because all the side is equal is given A. Now 3A upon 2, now taking LCM, 2 multiply A, 2A and divide 2, that is 3A minus 2A, that is A upon 2, A upon 2, A upon 2. Now multiply the numerator, 3A raised to 4, okay, upon 16. Now taking the square root, A raised to 4 square root is the A square, 16 square root is the 4, but root 3 square root not obtained, so answer is A square upon 4 root 3. Another way, root 3 upon 4 A square. Now perimeter is given, perimeter 180 centimeter is given, so A plus B plus C equal to 180, 3A equal to 180, so A equal to 180 upon 3, 60 centimeter. So area of the signboard equal to root 3 upon 4 A square. In another way also we can find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C also. Okay, now root 3 upon 4 A square. So root 3 upon 4 A square, value of A 60 square, 60 square, 60 multiply 60, okay, 1 4 and 60 will be cut, 15 4 ja 60 and 15 6 ja 90, so 900 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle. Okay, this is the semi perimeter. Area of the signboard is 900 root 3 centimeter square. Another method is also, if you have to find S minus A, S minus B, so S equal to 90, 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60 30, 90 minus 60 30, 90 minus 60 30, okay, 2 times 30 and 3, that is 900. So 900 root 3 centimeter square. Similar question is given, but we cannot do it. Okay, then we are going to solve question 2. But today we have take the time in introduction and correction. So today we are going to solve only one question, 12.1. Okay, thank you very much.